Public health fam, this is a reminder to take a fucking break. Last week, I took some time off to visit Guatemala for one of my college homies' wedding and easily had one of the best trips I've ever taken. And despite being the largest economy in Central America, several people told me and my wife that we need to be careful when visiting a developing country. And I can't lie, I definitely had my own fear based on things I thought I knew, but after immersing myself in the culture for 4 or 5 days, I really feel like I learned so much from being in community with the global South. The first thing that stood out to me were the people. We stayed in Antigua, which is known to be a central tourist hub for the country, but I genuinely felt this super chill and engaging, just down to earth, honest vibe from all of the locals. I love speaking Spanish and learning about the history of indigenous folks within the Americas. And hearing the perspective of the locals really gave me perspective about the challenge for basic rights, freedom, representation that many oppressed groups have all across the globe. And don't get me wrong, people kept it real and talked to us about their struggles and the lack of the support from the government and, the better quality of life that they would want for themselves or their children. But again, they were just super present throughout all of this. When we got back to the States, it felt like we were entering a completely different world, a completely different version of reality. Like, I hopped on my first meeting on Monday, and you could just feel how disenchanted everyone was to be on that meeting, to be working, despite all the material wealth we have. So I'll end with this. I know for all of us, we're living in some stressful ass times. And for me, I was burnt out even before this year started, right? But taking some time to be intentional, put myself in another environment really helped reignite the fire that I have inside me to keep going. So after seeing this, take some PTO, block your calendar, book the trip, just take some time.